Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to all of you. My name is Chinmay Chavan. Me and my teammates Ketki Chavan, Vaishnavi Chavan, and Chirag Pujari have made our PBL project, that's paper piano with Arduino. We have done this project under the guidance of Professor Chaitanya Deshpande sir.
Introduction to our project. This project is made using Arduino UNO microcontroller. The system based on capacitive touch principle, also conductivity of graphite, plays main role here. When you approach your finger to the keys of piano drawn with the pencil on the paper, your finger and piano keys acts like plates on the capacitor. Since distance between capacitor plates decreases, capacitance increases. Arduino measure the capacitance, define if the key is pressed, and send information to the computer to play proper key sound. Materials required for the project: male-to-male jumper wires, breadboard, Arduino UNO board, resistor 1 megaohm, speaker, A4 size paper, and paper clip. Capacitive touch principle. In electrical engineering, capacitive sensing is technology based on capacitive coupling that can detect and measure anything that is conductive or has a dielectric different from air. Many types of sensors use capacitive sensing, including sensors to detect and measure proximity, pressure, position and displacement, force, humidity, fluid level, and acceleration. Human interface devices based on capacitive sensing, such as touchpads, can replace the computer mouse. Digital audio players, mobile phones, and tablet computers use capacitive sensing touchscreens as input devices. Capacitive sensors can also replace mechanical buttons. First, drawing your keyboard. The sensors are created by drawing on paper with a pencil. In our project, we only use 8 keys. Each key piano is a sensor that the sensor and your body form a capacitor. The more is capacitance, the more charge it can store. The capacitance of this sensor depends on how close your hand with the sensor. If you want to get some nice thick lines on the paper. Putting it all together, let's put resistors on breadboard. Connect your jumper wires to drawing via paper clip. Each one end of resistor requires 2 jumper wires. Connect your each jumper wire from paper piano to each one end of resistor and then connect wires to digital pin 2 to 9. The other end of each resistor is connected to pin 2. Connect a speaker to the Arduino with one wire to the digital pin 11 and the other one to the ground of the Arduino. Now let's play. You can make tone sounds if you tap keys of paper piano. If the keys are not responsive, you may need to change capacitive sensor value for your drawing, or you may need retrace over your drawing again. I recommend you thick lines on paper when you draw piano keys on paper. Advantages: easy to learn, wide array OD sensors, many third parties libraries, programming ease. Disadvantages: processing power is weaker than the microcontroller.